Random and frequent app crashes on mobile devices usually denote a memory issue, like when the device is running low on storage. Other performance issues, including symptoms of sluggishness, unresponsiveness, and random restarts, are also likely to transpire in this case. But for new devices, experiencing the same symptoms after installing a new firmware could denote a different story. In this video, I will be showing you what to do if apps on your iPhone keeps crashing. First solution: make sure your iPhone still has enough storage space. Insufficient memory or low storage is usually the main reason as to why a device is not able to perform. Stable apps need sufficient storage to run it. If you've already installed a lot of apps on your iPhone, try to see if there's still enough storage space left. From the home screen, tap Settings, touch General, and then tap iPhone Storage. In this screen, you will be able to see how much storage is left on your device. If you only have 1 GB or less, it means you need to delete some of your files or apps to free up some space. Second solution: force restart your iPhone. Most of the time, this problem is pretty minor and you may be able to fix it by doing the forced restart procedure. It's a simulated battery removal that will refresh your iPhone's memory and reload all its services. Here's how it's done. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then quickly press and release the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key until the Apple logo shows on the screen. After the reboot, try to see if apps still crash. If they do, move on to the next solution. Third solution: factory reset your iPhone. At this point, a reset is necessary. As long as this problem started after the iOS 15 update, you should be able to fix it with a reset. However, make sure to create a copy of your important files and data before the reset. When ready, follow these steps to reset your device. From the home screen, tap Settings, Find, and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.